In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the login page in Salesforce with ease and efficiency. Customizing your Salesforce login page allows you to improve the user experience and tailor it to your brand's identity. Let's dive into this process step by step to ensure you have a seamless experience. To kick things off, head over to the Salesforce homepage in your browser. Once you're there, look for the Quick Settings menu. It's usually situated at the top right corner of your page. Click on it to reveal more options that will allow you to proceed with the customization process. Navigating quickly to these settings can save you a lot of time in the long run. Next, locate and click on the option to Open Advanced Setup. This step is crucial because Advanced Setup provides you with the configuration options you need to personalize different areas, including the login page. In the search bar, type in My Domain. This action helps us locate the specific settings that affect the login page directly. Once you see the My Domain settings, click on this to continue the customization process. Now you will be taken to a page with several configuration tabs. Here, focus your attention on the Authentication Configuration tab and click on Edit. This will enable you to modify existing settings. You'll want to pay special attention to the Login Page Type section. It's crucial to understand that the login page type determines the layout and the aesthetics of your login interface. You will notice different options here, but for simplicity, choose the standard version as it is widely supported and more straightforward to manage. Moving on, let's pay attention to the Logo File section. This is where you can upload a logo file to represent your brand on the login page. If you wish to change or update the logo, click on Choose File to upload a new image from your device. This small addition can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your login page. We now play with colors. Choose a background color that aligns with your organization's branding by clicking on the color picker. This customization lends a unique look and feel, making it inviting to users. After that, we should focus on the options for using the native browser for user authentication on both iOS and Android devices. Ensuring that these boxes are appropriately checked guarantees a more seamless and integrated login experience for mobile users leveraging their native browsers. Lastly, don't forget to hit the Save button to apply all your customizations. This final step ensures that all the adjustments you've made are put into effect and that your newly styled login page is live. Customizing your Salesforce login page can make a significant difference in brand presentation and user experience. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and we hope it helps you to enhance the functionality and aesthetic of your Salesforce login page.